Hey guys, I'm here to show you a quick demonstration of Georgia Expo's new Posh kit and what you can do with it. The actual kit consists of 8 premium drapes of their crushed sheer fabric, and you can achieve quite a couple of different looks with the fabric that's inside the kit. Although you can customize the kit to your liking by adding additional panels from their polyester, polypremier, they have velour, they have a wide selection of other fabric blends where you can achieve a really premium look. Check this out.